Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Thunder Bay, Ontario, a city where the beauty of Lake Superior meets the rugged spirit of Northern Ontario. Thunder Bay was officially formed in 1970 when the towns of Port Arthur and Fort William were merged together. Long before that, this area was home to Indigenous peoples, including the Anishinaabe, who have lived here for thousands of years. Thunder Bay has a rich history in fur trading, shipping, and forestry, with the giant grain elevators along the waterfront still standing as reminders of its busy port days. Today, it's a community that blends industry, education, and outdoor adventure. Whether you're here to explore nature, learn some local history, or just enjoy the lakeshore views, Thunder Bay has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Thunder Bay, Ontario. Thanks for watching!